Warning, this is one of the grossest videos I've ever done, and if you get sick easily, please don't watch. Oh. What do I call this challenge? I don't know what I'm gonna call this challenge, but pretty much I took
the random shit out the fridge.
the random. Basically, you took everything that's drinkable out of the fridge, and we're just gonna mix it all together and see what it tastes like. So, jalapeno pickles, lemonade, dill pickle juice, tropical whatever that is, Kool-Aid, Italian dressing, and milk. Oh, something tells me this is gonna suck.
Alright, so
we both gonna put milk. And we both gonna have our own. So
of course we both gonna have. That's why we got separate cups.
Look, I got these three. We both gonna put milk in it, and then you got those three. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Alright. What we'll do is we're gonna race. We both got our own, we're gonna race. And if you don't finish, whoever finishes last, we're just gonna mix them all together in one bowl, and you gotta take a sip. I'm gonna call this the bowl of shame. Bowl of shame!
It's Hawaiian punch.
Whatever is cool.
Show me how much you got.
Boy, look at that. Mine looks like normal milk. I got, hey, at least you ain't got jalapeno juice in yours. At least you ain't gonna burn, right?
I got Italian sauce in mine.
True, you do got Italian dressing in yours.
It's still floating at the top. So that's the first thing I'm taking down.
Hey, you can, I'll just put more in mine. What do you want me to put more? More lemonade, pickle juice, or jalapeno sauce juice, or jalapeno juice?
Jalapeno juice.
Fuck, look at you, jalapeno.
So that way, if you don't go down, at least you're gonna burn your mouth.
I hate you.
All right, ready?
Oh, the jalapeno. Oh, what's your smell like?
Bro, I can't even explain.
2, 1. 20. Whoever throw it first loses.
That ain't gonna be me. Bro, that's just. I got the aftertaste in my mouth, bro. That's sick.
Shut your ass. Shut your ass. Shut up.
You're gonna lose.
Why you doing that so bad?
I can eat a lot more nasty shit than you can.
I'm good. Neither one of us lost.
My knee is shaking. I don't think that's normal.
Bruh. Okay, now we're gonna switch. What? Neither one of us lost, so we gotta switch. Rinse them out.
Bro, we gotta die.
What did it taste like?
It didn't taste good. We're gonna get to the Italian first.
It did taste good. It's bubbling, bro. I can't even show them. Do you mind?
Jalapeno.
Yeah, you gonna taste the jalapeno. You gonna taste it going down, boy. You ready?
All right, ready?
Wait, okay, count of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Yours tasted better than mine did.
Yeah, I tasted vinegar. I can't do it. It was too sweet. Yo, disgusting, man. I drunk it off.
You ain't even sitting here like,
How you even drink it all? He was just like, done, like, what the fuck is wrong with you? You do this all the time, don't you?
No.
Bowl of shame. I'm ready. Fuck this shit.
Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Come on.
Give me a countdown. Oh!
Bro, that almost made me throw. Alright. Now you gotta
do it. Smells bad. Smells bad.
Alright, 3. No water.
No water!
You gotta wait till you finish. The whole bowl. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Swallow, swallow. Go. He has a weak stomach.
Turn the camera off!